Okay, so here I am, the new workshop. This is a attached garage, 18 feet, a little over 18 feet by 18 feet square. I have the fun job of moving in. So the plan is to put a sub panel in because the electricians use every bay in my junction box there, so I have no room for any extra breakers. So I'll have to run wire pretty much for all the tools. So right now, gotta do wiring and insulation, then drywall. The good thing that the ceiling is done. I got a little hatch there so I can do blown-in insulation for when I get around to that. Now, this is the wall that carries to the house. I'll do another completed shop tour once everything's done. But I have a nice exterior door there for ventilation to clean the garage out when it's a little dusty and fumey. Other than that, the plan right now is to work on my clamp wrench. So I got some clamps here, some clamps here, some clamps there, some clamps way over there in the corner. Sorry for the camera if you're getting dizzy. So I started work on the layout. I just took a piece of scrap plywood and laid out the clamps where I think they'll go. It works best, and I'll do the stacking them up like most people looks like they're starting to do. They used to do side by side, realizing it took up too much wall real estate. So I'll be stacking those one on top of another, kind of get the layout, best way to lay things out for all the clamps. That'll be the next video to show how I'm screwing those together, because to get like the F clamps, you don't have a whole lot of room to put, if you put two pieces of wood, say a piece of wood here and a piece of wood here, to hold these in, to get your drill bit in there, even the long stitch drill bits, to hold that in. So I'll show you how I'm going to plan on doing that. And then that's going to go up. So that's what I'm working on now. That'll be the next video in the series. So if you want to, you can hit the subscribe button and hit the bell, and then whenever I upload the video, you can see the project and the progress that I'm making. Got some hopefully cabinets coming in, and along with laundry, utility sinks for over here. You can kind of see my charger sitting on the drain there. And then eventually I will get the whole thing done and up and running. Start making some projects again. Thanks for stopping by, and hope you have a good day.